We've worked with a number of species over the years. We've worked pretty extensively with wood storks. This is a very large bird. It ranges through the southern portion of the U.S. down into South America. We have a breeding population in South Carolina, and over the last 10 to 15 years, we've done a lot of monitoring of this population, trying to identify important breeding areas and rookeries where the young are raised, and get an idea of how successful their nesting attempts in South Carolina are. And over the years, we've seen a pretty dramatic increase in the number of birds and the number of pairs that are nesting in South Carolina, really good survival of the nestlings, and this has really contributed to a growth in this population. And with wood storks in particular, they have been so successful with these sort of monitoring efforts and intervention efforts to protect their rookeries, to make sure that invasive plants aren't degrading the quality of their rookeries, that we've seen that species actually go from federally endangered to being federally threatened and actually being now considered for even delisting in its entirety. Having some funding that's consistent and robust is really important to being able to do these really proactive conservation measures to build and protect these populations, to make sure that they don't need to get listed in the future and that the state can continue to manage them appropriately.